Let us explain the basics of Thales theorem without seeing its mathematical demonstration, but with an example in order to understand it. Here are two straight lines R and S that meet, and we are drawing some parallel straight lines that meet both lines, like these lines J, K and N that are parallel to each other. The line segments that these lines J, K and N determine on one of the straight lines, line R, are proportional to their corresponding line segments on line S. The straight lines J, K and N parallel to each other determine the following line segments on line R, A, B and C, and these same lines J, K and N determine the following line segments on line S, D, E and F. What the Thales theorem states is that the ratio between line segments A and D is the same as the ratio between line segments B and E, and the same as the ratio between line segments C and F. If line segment B were half line segment A, then line segment E would be half line segment D. Or if line segment C were the same length as line segment A, then line segment F would be the same length as line segment D. That is, in general, what Thales theorem is about. Thales theorem can be used in technical drawing in many different exercises, being one of the most important ones the exercise where we have to divide a line segment into as many parts as we want.